Hello, sweet crew, and welcome back to Bake It. This week, it's all about pound cakes, where we'll be making our own variation with sweet potatoes. And we'll be sprinkling some delicious cinnamon streusel topping right before popping it in the oven. For the cake batter, you'll need flour, sugar, ground cinnamon, salt, unsalted butter, eggs, sweet potatoes. In a saucepan, cover your sweet potatoes with water and bring to a boil. Cook until the potatoes are soft enough to mash them. While the potatoes are boiling, sift the flour, the sugar, the cinnamon, and the salt. In a medium bowl, whisk the egg whites until the formation of stiff peaks. Set aside. In another bowl, whisk the butter and the egg yolks until light. Add the dry ingredients to the sugar egg yolk mix and whisk until well combined. Add the mashed potatoes and continue whisking. Fold in the egg whites. Pour the cake batter in your pre-greased cake mold and set aside. It's now time to make the streusel topping. You'll need flour, sugar, ground cinnamon, unsalted butter. In a small bowl, combine the flour, the sugar, and the ground cinnamon. Add the butter and mix with a fork until crumbly. Generously sprinkle the streusel topping on the cake batter before popping it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Lower the temperature to 325 Fahrenheit and bake another 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool about 10 minutes before taking the cake out of the mold and let it cool completely before serving. That's it for this recipe. You won't believe how easy it is to make and how delicious it is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button, subscribe, comment, and share it to your entourage. Thanks for watching and see you next time for another episode of
Bake It!